Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, guys, we are here with you see the bottle, a teriyaki wings, guys. We are here with a teriyaki wings video for you guys, and you know we have our wings, the drum and the flats. We have our mother seasoning or salt and pepper, followed by our cousin seasoning, which is our onion and garlic powder mixture, and our pimento and bay leaf. You don't know the vibe.
So right now we're gonna get right tonight, guys. So first we're gonna season the wings with some salt and pepper. We do this so much time, so we know exactly what we are coming with, right?
Yes.
And now the onion and the garlic powder mixture. Yes, guys, lightly get this all in.
Rub it up, get it evenly distributed.
Alright, we don't need nothing more than that, so now we're gonna season the flour.
Yes, guys. And you know how it go, guys. When marinating, you can marinate for however long you have, or 30 minutes to an hour. That will do it.
So we're gonna add some salt and pepper to the flour. Some onion and garlic powder. Now we're gonna give this a stir.
Get that evenly distributed as usual. You know the vibe. Alright, guys, so we're going to allow the meat to marinate. So forward. Yes, guys, so it's that time again. We have our seasoned flour, and we're going to add, you don't know, the drums first. Get them nice and properly coated in this flour mixture. Yeah, watch it flip. Yes, guys.
Alright, guys, so now we are going to move on to the frying. Forward.
Yes, guys, let's go. One go, guys. The pot heat at the right temperature. Look at that. So we're going to submerge these drum in the oil, and you know, fry until golden brown.
And remember to lay away to prevent splashing
and burn. And guys, feel free to try these recipes on your Christmas menu this year.
Yeah, guys, I want to use all that bottle of the sauce.
Yes.
At the time festive, we have sweet and sour.
We have teriyaki. You don't know the vibe. We have sweet and sour teriyaki, pineapple, melon, guava, the whole charades. Follow our chef channel. Follow our chef Instagram, I should say, and you will have the full details over
and
there.
You can also go over Globalex Interaction JA and place the order over there.
Yes, guys, that's the name of our Instagram.
Because on the chef channel and place the order as well.
Yes, guys, you know the vibe. It's that time again. Time for the turn. Beautiful, nice and golden. Yes, guys, so you know when you see us again, it's removal time, right? So we move forward again. Yes, guys, you don't know the vibe. It's that time. Removing these. So we're going to just drop the flats now. And you don't know, the next time you see us after we're done fry off the flats them, it's time to sauce up this. Yes, guys, and leave it down below. And remember, let us know what other videos you want to see us do. Alright, let us know in that comment section, and tell us how was your Thanksgiving holiday. How did you enjoy the meals, and let us know if you've tried any of our recipes in the menu listing over there for the holiday season. So as I said, we'll come back again when we're just ready to sauce up. So forward. Yes, guys, time for that sauce up. So we're just going to add some of that teriyaki sauce. Lovely, right? Allow this to come to a bubble. Give me about bubble, guys. Allow this to come to a simmer. Nice and simmery.
Yeah, guys, so necessarily this can work on its own. But while I wait for it to come to a simmer, I'm going to add in the bay leaf and the pimento seed.
Yes, guys, you don't know the vibe.
That's not necessary, but you know the thing though.
We like cooking with it, and that's just the vibe.
So we're catching the back when this comes to a bubble.
Simmer.
Simmer.
Yes,
forward.
guys, so forward. Yes, guys, look at that. We're just going to add the wings now. Yes, guys, some nice teriyaki wings. You know the vibe. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, guys, you want to get these coating the chicken beautifully.
Guys, we'll fry some off the camera, so you know you're going to want so much in the pot.
We fry the rest of it off camera to speed up the process of things, right?
So now, guys, we give this a constant rotation.
Low and slow, guys, with a constant rotation, right? Don't want the sauce to evaporate out the pot before all these
are properly coated.
Yes, guys. Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that coming together nicely. I don't want to catch a drift, guys, so we're catching the back when it's time for the plating. So ready for quick thinking and your quick fingers. Tell them, chef.
Spam up the comment section soon forward.
Yes, guys, start dropping them comments. You know the vibe. Just in case you've missed it, these are some lovely teriyaki wings courtesy of Globalist Interaction JA, guys. Whoo, you seen that steam? Yes, blazing hot.
Alright, guys, so I clean up the plate soon forward.
Soon forward. Yes, guys, and we're back.
Now we go. Give it a rotation, just like that.
Get it all fancy, you know. Tap that, guys. Lovely, right? And if you haven't checked out our teriyaki fish video, please go on ahead and give it a check. I know you'll definitely enjoy it. One looking forward to, right?
So that's about it, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Yes, guys, remember follow us on our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there.
So until next time, bye foodies. Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?